Vaiskahi Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaiskahi Ji Ki Fateh. On behalf of the Sikh Research Institute extended family, we wish all of you, your families and friends, and the whole wide Sikh Sangat happy Vaisakhi. Vaisakhi, as you all know, is actually a time where celebration takes place, actually the length and breadth of South Asia, all the way from Punjab down in the south, east and west. And it is primarily, at least for Punjab, a time of celebration of the harvest season, where thankfulness, joy, rejuvenation takes place, and abundance is celebrated through multiple folk means, song, dance, etc. Guru Nanak Sahib, as he did in transforming all the different prevailing social, economic, political customs, compares Vaisakhi to the state of mind of us humans, and says that if perpetual Vaisakh is required or is desired, where there's continuous celebration and joy, the mechanism to do that is to connect with the Shabad, the divine wisdom of, as we all know, is enshrined in the Guru Granth Sahib. So connecting with the Shabad is an absolute must during this time of Vaisakhi for our celebrations. Sikh Research Institute will try to prepare resources so that we can connect with the Guru Granth Sahib and the Shabad. Historically as well, it is known that Guru Amar Das Sahib requested all of the Sikh Sangats to gather in Goindwal during multiple festivals, but Vaisakhi happened to be one of them as well. Guru Arjan Sahib in his Rag Maj, the Barama, explains the similar idea what Guru Nanak did about Vaisakh and Shabad, and associates that idea of Vaisakh and celebration and festivity to be permanent and perpetual, requires the acceptance of the divine will, hukum, sant bete har soi. So that idea continues on by the time frame of Guru Gobind Singh Ji on that day in 1699, on the 1st of Vaisakh, where the sovereignty that was ingrained within all of our gurus and in the Shabad was the corporate guruship was bestowed on the community, thus to be known as the Guru Khalsa. And the miracle of miracles that day, as we also all know, is where the Gur Chela idea, the servant leader model, was brought to reality and fruition, where Guru Gobind Singh Ji himself begged for the gift of Amrit from the first five sovereign ones of Panch Pyare. And Professor Puran Singh explains this whole idea in beautiful prose in his writings. So the question for us on this day is, how do we take our everyday festivities, everyday joyous and successes, and convert them to become a permanent lifestyle of Chardi Kala, of Deg Teg Fateh, of Panth Ki Jeet, so that the real purpose of the Khalsa, which is eventually Sarbat Ka Pala, can be brought to fruition. And that is through connection with the Shabad, through the acceptance of the divine will, through the commitment as asked of us from Guru Gobind Singh, and of taking on the responsibility of that leadership in its true sense. So on this day, or these multiple days in which Vaisakhi is being celebrated across all the Gurdwaras all over the world, once again from the Sikh Research Institute, we wish you a happy Vaisakhi. We are here to serve our communities with educational resources so we can live Guru-inspired lives. Pula Chukandi Khima, Vaiskahi Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaiskahi Ji Ki Fateh.